pay tribute to the 1.2 million Americans who have laid down their lives during wartime. We revere our troops wounded in battle, and we offer heartfelt gratitude to the 2.5 million service members defending our way of life today.
There ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the
Thanks to America's founding fathers, the soldiers who have fought for freedom, and our military families, we are here tonight. We are the Patriot's dream. We are America the Beautiful. They have rung the bell of liberty, creating an era of hope, peace, and prosperity. We pray that every soldier, sailor, airman, and Marine finds their way safely home, where loved ones await. May the love of country we feel now burn within us, always.